Jellyfish are creatures that are loved by some and feared by others. They are fascinating creatures that have been around for millions of years and are found in oceans all around the world. What makes them so unique is their anatomy and behavior, which makes them truly different from any other creature on Earth. Jellyfish belong to the phylum Cnidaria, which also includes corals and sea anemones. They are known for their bell-shaped body and long tentacles that they use to sting their prey. Unlike most animals, jellyfish don't have a brain, heart, or bones. Instead, they have a simple nervous system that allows them to detect light, chemicals, and movement in their environment. One of the most remarkable things about jellyfish is their ability to change their shape and size. They have a smooth, gelatinous body that can contract and expand based on the water pressure around them. This allows them to swim in a variety of ways, including pulsing their bell to propel themselves forward or using their tentacles to move through the water. Another unique feature of jellyfish is their stinging cells, called nematocysts. These cells contain tiny harpoons that shoot out when triggered by touch or chemical signals. When a jellyfish's tentacle brushes against a predator or prey, the nematocysts fire, injecting venom into the victim. While this may seem like a defense mechanism, jellyfish also use their nematocysts to capture food. Jellyfish are also known for their bioluminescent properties. Some species of jellyfish can produce light through a chemical reaction in their cells, making them glow in the dark. This serves as a warning to predators that they are toxic and should be avoided. It also makes them easier to spot by researchers studying their behavior. Despite their seemingly simple anatomy, jellyfish have been able to adapt to a wide range of environments. They can be found in every ocean on Earth, from shallow waters to the deep sea. Some species even live in freshwater lakes and rivers. This adaptability is due in part to their ability to reproduce quickly and efficiently. Jellyfish have a unique life cycle that consists of both sexual and asexual reproduction. Most species start out as small larvae that attach themselves to a surface and grow into polyps. These polyps can reproduce asexually by budding off new jellyfish, which will eventually break free and float away. Alternatively, the polyps can develop into adult jellyfish through sexual reproduction, where the male releases sperm into the water to fertilize the female's egg. While jellyfish are fascinating creatures, they can also be a bit of a nuisance. Their stings can be painful and even deadly for some people, and they can clog up fishing nets and damage marine equipment. In recent years, jellyfish populations have been on the rise, likely due to climate change and overfishing. Despite their sometimes negative impact, it's hard not to be amazed by jellyfish. Their unique anatomy and behavior make them truly one of kind creatures that we are still learning about. They remind us that there is still so much we don't know about the world around us, and that even seemingly simple organisms can hold many secrets. To wrap up, jellyfish are built different than any other creature on Earth. Their smooth, gelatinous body, nematocysts, bioluminescent properties, and unique life cycle make them truly remarkable. While they may be a bit of a nuisance at times, it's important to appreciate the beauty and complexity of these creatures and continue to study them to learn more about our oceans and the world we live in.